Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer money from Clearpay to bank account. So in order to do this, the first thing that you need to do is to simply come to Clearpay. For that you need to type this domain in the search bar, that is clearpay.co.uk, and then you will be landed on the official website of Clearpay. Here you need to hover over to the top right hand corner and click on the login button. Afterwards, you need to provide your login credentials like your email address and your password, and you simply need to log in into your account first. Now, once this step is done, you just have to simply click on the upcoming payments option in the upper left of your screen, or click the three lines in the upper left, then upcoming payments if on a mobile device. After that, you need to locate the payment that you wish to make. After that, you need to just click on the pay now option or click the pay button if on a mobile device. You need to ensure that the right card is selected. Now click on the submit payment. If you would like to make a one-off payment with a different card, select the new payment method, enter the card details and untick the store this card for future payment box before submitting your payment, and you are done. So this is how you can easily transfer your money from Clearpay to your bank account. So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.